All right, here's the walk around video that I had one subscriber ask for. Shout out that one subscriber. I'm gonna try and check this out, see if we can kind of film it. So, starting at the front, got the PEP black body shocks right here. So the triple rate PB1s. So they got compression adjustment, 8 settings on there. They got rebound, fast and slow down there. Kind of see in there. Hauser A-arms, these are MX 2 plus 2.25 per side. So, what is that, 4.5 inches wider than stock. We've got LTR brakes and spindles on it. So it is LTR geometry, which is a pretty common thing that the TRXs do, just to make them turn a little bit better. The 06 up don't turn as well. So this is a 2007 TRX 450, or it kind of was, I guess. It's a little bit different now. Moving on down, we have the Lonestar hubs. So on either side, we've got these Lonestar hubs. They're billet aluminum, so they're a little bit trickier. You can kind of see in there, they're machined out. I've got ITP Sandstars, so this bike really only sees the dunes. These are 21-inch tires, so they do pretty well. So in here, if you can see that, we have the precision steering stabilizer. Mounts up to the steering stem. So that helps a lot of the dune chop, just make it ride a little bit smoother. Also under there, we have the coolant bottle that's been relocated. It's a pretty common Walsh mod. This bike has a Walsh lowering kit. We'll get to that in a little bit too. Got the Foreworks hood. Just kind of keeps everything a little bit tidier, looks cleaner because we did the headlight delete. You can also see it's all been powder coated, so the frame was stripped down, was sent to Lonestar in Arizona. They did the whole thing black. It's just kind of the color I wanted, more of a subtle kind of color. Got the Hauser steering stem as well. This is LTR geometry, so it has a special flag on it to mount up to the different tie rod ends. Again, so it just kind of turns better, turns sharper, smoother, faster, all that kind of stuff. Got Renthal handlebars. I believe these are CR high handlebars. ASV levers on the bike. Kind of see those. They're originally red. These are pretty faded, as you can see. So I think they're anodized, but they do fade. So if you buy those, be warned. Steel braided brake lines, just for the longer A-arms as well. Just want to make sure that that works out. And then I had to do a key relocation because of the handlebars too. So my key's been zip tied just to the frame. It's held up pretty well. Moving along here, try to keep the light good. We've got this DASA exhaust, so you can see, kind of powder coated blue. It's pretty nice. Foreworks carbon boot guard. And then that's actually a carburetor heat shield. You can kind of see in there. So it keeps the exhaust away from the carburetor. Does a pretty good job of that. We do have new hoses on the bike. So just different coolant hoses that I did just to, I don't know, it's almost more of a cosmetic part than anything. Just kind of keep with the blue theme. We have a BCC skid plate under here. So you can see that. So it's just kind of a full body skid plate that really just works to glide over the sand so you don't bring up a bunch of sand into your motor, but it still has the holes for the engine drain and the transmission drain as well. IMS roll foot pegs. These things really 3 rows of teeth, keep your feet on there really nice. Do pretty well at that. Again, you can kind of see this little jankiness, kind of areas here where the lowering kit, you have to cut the plastic to make it all kind of line up and fit up. Something to keep the plastic in place, a little janky, but it works. And then we have the idle adjuster screw right there. And even though this is an 07, I did an 08 tank cover because of the aluminum tank. kind of see in there, it's aluminum. We'll get to that in a little bit too. So that does pretty well. Take this light and we'll kind of move along. I have 7 paddle haulers. So what these haulers really do is they allow it to spin. They're 21-inch tall, 8-inch rims, so they float really well, and they still hook up good for racing and everything else at the hills. So lots of videos on that, I'm sure. So moving along, we got a JB Superlink swing arm. We've got I think it's a DID chain. So it's 1338 gearing on this bike. We do have the parking brake block off here. You can kind of see the Lonestar on there. So that does pretty well. This is a Tusk axle. So I've got all the spacers in the axle. You can kind of see like that. Stock hubs though, so something there. It's a PEP rear shock. So it's a dual rate with their ZPS preload. Does pretty well. And then you can see the big filter there that we'll talk about more in a minute. And then here's the big old canister for the PEP. It's their Dakar style large resi, I believe they call it. So it does pretty well there. It just keeps the fluid cooler. Moving over here, we have the engine. So you see this big fuel hose here. What that does is that mounts to a petcock up in there. You can kind of see. And so what that does is it allows this aluminum tank to really lower the center of gravity. The tank extends below the frame. So it does that so that you can lower the center of gravity. It just helps turning, it sits lower. It does have a Walsh lowered swing arm too, with the battery mount on it too. Don't have a cover just so it's easy to jump. So yeah, the motor is a Racer's Edge Gen 1 build. It is a 242 812 plus 5 cam. And then it's a 14-to-1 CP piston plus 1 valve, 43.5 bore carb, as you can see there. Then we'll take the seat off. So big filter, and then it's a Vision V3 carbon fiber intake. Pretty trick looking part. Really like the carbon on this bike. And then you can see the aluminum tank there as well. So it makes it pretty trick. Really that's kind of the walk around. So you got the PEP shocks again on this side. Stock shifter. Yeah, if you have any other questions or if I missed something on the walk around, let me know and I'm happy to go in more detail on some other parts, and maybe we'll do a dollar summary as well on some of this. So thanks guys, see you.